Welcome to Trebinje, one of the most beautiful and peaceful towns in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Nestled in the sunny south of the country, just a short drive from the Adriatic coast, Trebinje is a place where history, culture, and nature come together in perfect harmony. The heart of the city is its charming old town, known as Castle. Walking through its narrow stone streets feels like stepping back in time. The town developed during the Ottoman period in the 18th century, and many of its original buildings still stand today. Traditional stone houses, small cafes, artisan shops, and quiet squares create an atmosphere that invites visitors to slow down and enjoy every moment. Throughout its history, Trebinje has stood at the crossroads of East and West. The city has been shaped by the Ottoman Empire, the Venetian Republic, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and later became part of Yugoslavia during the 20th century. Each era left its own mark on the architecture, traditions, and culture of the town, making Trebinje a fascinating blend of different civilizations and historical influences. One of the city's greatest treasures is its remarkable collection of churches and monasteries. Rising above the town on Trebinje Hill is the magnificent Hercegovačka Gračanica Church. Built in the year 2000, it was inspired by the famous Gračanica Monastery in Kosovo and quickly became one of the symbols of Trebinje. From here, visitors can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views over the red rooftops of the old town, the winding Trebinje River, and the surrounding mountains. Another important landmark is the Cathedral of the Holy Transfiguration, an elegant Serbian Orthodox church that reflects the deep spiritual traditions of the region. Throughout Trebinje, beautiful bell towers and church domes remind visitors of the city's rich religious heritage and centuries-old faith. Flowing gently through the town is the Trebinje River, one of Europe's longest sinking rivers. Its crystal clear waters and tree-lined banks make it a perfect place for a peaceful walk. Stone bridges gracefully connect both sides of the city, creating postcard-worthy views, especially at sunset when the golden light reflects on the calm water. Despite its long and often turbulent history, Trebinje has preserved a calm and welcoming spirit. Today, it is considered one of the hidden gems of the Balkans, a destination where visitors can experience authentic culture without the crowds found in larger tourist cities. Whether you come for its history, its churches, its beautiful architecture, or simply to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, Trebinje leaves a lasting impression on everyone who visits. It is a place where every stone tells a story, every street reveals another chapter of history, and every sunset reminds you why this charming town is one of the true treasures of Herzegovina. Trebinje is also famous for its Mediterranean climate. With more than 260 sunny days each year, vineyards, olive trees, and fragrant gardens thrive in the surrounding countryside. Local wineries produce excellent Herzegovinian wines, while traditional restaurants serve authentic regional dishes prepared with fresh local ingredients.